So guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you the overall direction of DXY index. Of course, this is a gold correlated pair and GBPUSD correlated pair. This is a DXY, a gold dollar index. So dollar index normally means that this is a dollar index. So it's an index. When dollar index is selling, pairs like gold and GBPUSD, Euro USD are buying, and pairs like Euro USD and pairs like USD JPY are buying when dollar index are buying. Yeah. So let's draw this trend line. This is on a weekly time frame. So let's draw this trend line. We want just to have an overall direction of this dollar index DXY so that we can see the direction of gold and GBPUSD, my favorite. Okay, so let's draw the zones which this pair has, this DXY has been rejecting multiple times. We just want to see the overall trend of this DXY. Okay, so this is a weekly time frame. Of course, it's in an uptrending move. This is an uptrend. This is on a weekly time frame. A very big perspective, the very big view. So let's go down to a daily time frame. We just want to see and get the perfect entries on Monday. So today is on a Saturday. So when we come here on a daily time frame, we can see the zones that we were drawing. The market came here. This was a two confluence, this trend line plus this zone that pushed this market up to this point here. Okay, so this from here guys, from here up to here, up to upside up here, these were the confluence that took this market from here up to here, this trend line plus this zone that we drew on a weekly time frame. So on a weekly time frame, you can see this market is moving in a it's forming a higher high, and a higher low, a higher high and a higher low. This simply, these are impulsive move, and this is a correction. Impulsive, a correction. So this one here is a correction. Right now we are in a correction, and where we are in a correction, we're expecting again an impulsive move to the upside. Okay, so that's what we are expecting. We are expecting here. So let me clear my charts first. Let me clear this chart. So right now we are done with the correction. So we are expecting an impulsive to the upside, an impulsive move to the upside. This was a impulsive correction. So from here to here, this is a correction. So we can also draw our downtrending channel, which is a bearish pennant from here, from this point. This is a very good bearish pennant from that point. This is a daily time frame. We are drawing a bearish pennant on a daily time frame. This is a very good bearish pennant to take to consider our market movement at this bearish pennant. You can see the market came here, it drops up to here, it went up again, so it's now at this point here. Okay, so I want to go down to a 4-hour time frame. I just want to see the overall direction of a DXY pair so that I can get a very good entry on gold. So let me clear my chart. I just want my chart to be clear, okay? So guys, I don't want you guys to be confused at any point. Okay, I don't want you to be confused at any point. We just want I just want us to be in a good agreement as we continue with our market analysis. So from here, what am I seeing? So let me delete these zones. Okay, let me delete this. So let me go again to a daily time frame. There's something that I have forgot. So I can see a very interesting zone from here, from this point, from here. This is a zone. This is a very good zone that this market is respecting. So that's a very good zone. So as you can see, there was a point of rejection here, rejection. Market came again here for a rejection. So let me continue with my 4-hour time frame. So in a 4-hour time frame, you can see this is a bearish pennant. So the market came here, it dropped, it went again up. This was a correction. So again it drops. So when this market has approached this zone, we also have another zone here. The zones being drawn where the market has rejected multiple times. Okay, so I'm expecting this market to either push from here. It come down, let me delete this. I'm expecting it to do like this, to push, come down, wow, what is it doing? To push, sorry guys, to push, then continue with an upward move to the upside. Okay, or maybe, yeah, this is what I'm expecting. Actually, this is what I'm expecting, to push upward, then come and retest, then goes up. That's what I'm expecting on DXY. So let me go down to a 1-hour time frame. This was a 4-hour. If maybe you are swinging, yeah, that's maybe if you are a swing trader. So from here, we also had these bearish pennant there, this bearish movement to the upside inside our main trend line. Okay, so for me, I'm expecting this market to come down here, retest, then move up. Okay, I'm expecting DXY to push up. Yeah, that's what I'm expecting for DXY. I'm expecting to push down a little bit, then push up. Let me go down to a bit lower time frame. For me, these are trend line. It may come to this trend line, it may come into this trend line, come here, then continue with an upward move. So let me go to either, let me go to GBPUSD and see the overall direction of GBPUSD on a, let me start on a daily time frame on GBPUSD, or let me start on a weekly time frame. Weekly time frame on GBPUSD, what's it saying? What are we looking for on GBPUSD on a weekly time frame? So you can see we are on I drew this pennant, this triangular path that a market is following. Let me go to daily time frame. I just want to see the good direction of this market. I just want to take a small time. I just don't want this video to be long. to be that long. So from here we saw this bullish, okay, but on a daily time frame we are seeing this bullish on GBPUSD, and on a DXY it was bearish. So that's a very good confidence that this market are are being shown using DXY index. So for DXY, I'm expecting the market to push up. So this is GBPUSD, I'm expecting it to push down. Okay, so let's analyze the market together. So for DXY, I'm expecting to sell a little bit, then buy. So and GBPUSD, buy a little bit, then sell. So let's see if it will buy a little bit, then sell. So let me go for a 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. As you can see this here, this trend line has been broken. Hey my god, this trend line has been broken. This upward moving channel. Okay, so this trend line has been broken. I'm expecting also it to buy and then sell up to even up to this point. This is a good swing. This is a very good swing. It's a very good swing. You will wait until this market reach up to this point, then you take your sell positions. Even if you go to a 1-hour time frame, that's what we shall see. Our trend line has been broken, expecting to sell, then to buy, then sell for a very long time, targeting a very many pips. Let me see how many pips are we targeting here. Let me just see how many pips are we targeting on GBPUSD. Let me just see how many pips are we targeting if you are buying from this point. 320 pips. That's a very swing move on GBPUSD. So I want to go to gold and see the overall direction of gold also, so that we can catch up with this whole movement of both GBPUSD and gold. I don't want the video to be that long. Okay, so let me delete everything to clear my chart. Let me delete everything. Let me leave those two. So for me on a bigger perspective, what I was saying is that gold had broken this zone. You can see it came and rejected, it came here again, rejected, it came here again, rejected, it came here again, rejected. This was a resistance which is going to be our support if gold came here. So on a long term, gold is selling. I'm expecting gold to come up to this point. This is a weekly time frame. So let me go down to a daily time frame. A daily time frame. This is a daily time frame. As you can see, this trend line is being respected by gold twice. So I'm expecting this market to come back again from at this point, then start selling. As you can see, there was a zone here. Let me draw this zone. This is a daily time frame. This was a strong zone. So I'm expecting gold to push back up to this point. I'm expecting it to push to this point here, and then do something like this, right? So that's what I'm expecting on gold. I'm expecting gold to push a little bit, then drops. Okay, let me clear my charts first. This brush is not doing what I'm expecting it to do. It's not behaving like the way I was expecting. So let me go to a 4-hour time frame and show you the exact direction of gold. Huh? Okay, So this is our zone. This zone has been broken, guys. This zone has been broken. I'm expecting to push a little bit from here, then drops. Let me go to a 1 hour time frame. So the direction of gold here is that it will push from here, then do something like this, like this, like this. Of course it's approaching this zone, then right, then push up, up. This is what I'm expecting gold to do. It will come here, then let me see how many pips are this, that how many pips that we shall catch on gold. Wow, wow. Let me see how many pips are this. 2,310 pips, 2,400, almost 2,500 pips on gold. As you all know that gold is crazy. Gold is crazy. Gold is not something to play with. If you are a beginner, as you can see, this market has already started to push upside. You can scalp from here up to here and catch your pips. Of course, you won't just take your position from here up to here. You shall be taking your partials in between here as the market is moving. So guys, that's all about the video. Gold, we have said that gold will eventually sell. Gold will eventually sell. We're expecting a sale on gold. Yeah, we are expecting a sale on gold from here up to somewhere there. Okay, a little bit pips, because we shall wait for confirmation before taking our entries. Little bit pips. And for GBPUSD, let me go and show you. For GBPUSD, we are also expecting a sell from this point. From this point, expecting a sell from this point. This is just a free knowledge that I'm giving you. So this just a free knowledge. This is what we are expecting. Yeah, this is what we are expecting. Catching almost 400 pips, and on gold catching almost 2,500 pips. That's crazy guys. So guys, go on and subscribe to the channel. And of course, on gold, on GBPUSD, we also have this zone here, this zone that we are waiting for our market to come and retest and continue with the sell move. Okay, we can as well do this on this pair. Can as well look for something like this. All right, okay, market can come, break, and go to retest our trend line, break again, and retest this zone, that this ping, or this zone, as it continues with the downtrend. Of course, you will wait. You can get your entry, wait until this point has been broken for you to take your sell entry. You can take another sell entry from this point and catch very good moves. Okay, if you are a good trader, of course you shall go down to a lower time frame and take your entries. You have two entries that you can get into this market. Of course, you'll be taking your profit at these points here. This is where you'll be taking your profits. Okay, I also trade Euro USD sometimes, but I don't like the pips that they are giving. I don't like the pips that they are giving. Of course, on this one we also expect a push to the downside, yeah, I pushed the downside. Of course, there was a trend line here. a trend line here. There was this trend line. There was this trend line. Of course, we are waiting this market to come and retest this trend line. It has broken. We are waiting it to come and retest the trend line and continue with the sell move. After here, then it can push now to the upside. Of course, we're expecting this on a Euro USD. Of course, we shall enter the market after a confirmation. We only enter the market after a confirmation, guys. You will not just enter the market blindly. On DXY, this is what I'm expecting. A push to the upside, a very good big push to the upside from here up to upside. You look for your left where you shall take your profits. Look for your left where the swing highs have been formed in the market. That's where you take your profits. On USD JPY, you're expecting the same as DXY, a buy of course. So that's about the video, guys. Go on and smash the subscribe button if you want to watch these kinds of video, and also if you want to join my Telegram channel, the link is in the description. You can join my Telegram channel where I drop the daily signals, guys. So that's all about the video. Let's meet into another video, guys. Bye bye. Okay, yeah.